Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Jamaican dollar hit a new historic low for a second consecutive day compared to the US dollar. It now costs $155.25 Jamaican for $1 on average. Now, the highest rate before that was recorded just yesterday at $155.13. Meanwhile, banks and cambios are selling the Canadian dollar for $124.20. It's costing $213.61 for the pound sterling, while the euro is trading at $186.76. Fewer Jamaicans were employed as at April 2021 compared to April 2019. Statin has also indicated that 40% of employed persons experienced some kind of contraction in their work since the start of the pandemic. Now, the data was presented at Statin's quarterly media briefing this morning. Javon Keys reports.
The labor force isn't seeing much recovery just yet from the fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin Thursday released the latest employment data from its labor force survey done in April. A survey was not done last year due to the COVID-19 restrictions, but when compared with 2019, more Jamaicans were found to be unemployed.
There were 119,400 unemployed persons. This was an increase of 13.5% or 14,200 in the number of unemployed persons when compared to the labor force of April 2019. The number of unemployed males was 53,400, an increase of 34.2%. In comparison, the number of unemployed females was 66,000 compared to 65,400.
Fewer people were also employed in the country compared with 2019.
It is estimated that 1.2 million persons were employed in the labor force. This was 40,500 or 3.2% fewer persons when compared to the April 2019 survey.
As for the impact of COVID-19 on working conditions, Statin found that a large percentage of the labor force saw a disruption in their earnings.
Data from the April 2021 labor force survey showed that over 40%, which is about 498,200 of the employed persons, experienced either a complete or partial loss of income from employment since March 2020.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Now, the JC Index lost 1,154 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 45 points. Among the winners were Kaylee Group, Main Event Entertainment, Paramount Trading, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and FESCO. On the losing side were Kingston Properties, Trans Jamaican Highway US Dollar Shares, Epley, SSL Venture Capital, and Salada Foods. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Now the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.